DuraGuard's headquarters is located in Tampa, Florida. Our metal halide fixtures were not producing optimal conditions. The issues were with energy consumption, pools of light, lighting uniformity, and intermittent dark spots. Originally, there were 6 metal halide lamps, 4 400-watt and 2 250-watt input. The fixtures were retrofitted with 4 LED WPC 45s, ranging from 81 to 176 watts. The innovative LED retrofit improved light disbursement with a 71.8% energy savings. The LEDs are more environmentally friendly and increased annual savings. The average foot candles went from 1/2 to 1 1/2. LEDs produce more efficient light with superior color rendering. Thank you for watching, and remember, think durability, think DuraGuard.